Si Sarknil Gaming Winner Session ng Mukbang Legends at happy Sunday guys. Ito ang ating masarap na breakfast for today's video. Corn beef naman tayo ngayon. Tapos yung masarap na chicken cheese hotdog from Tender Juicy. Omelette. Meron tayong prutas mansanas, tapos black coffee naman, at syempre sinangag, pinisa kami. Then ito naman, may nag-request kasi daw sauce reveal. Try natin itong UFC tamis ang angas, bago lang to fiercely spicy banana ketchup. So guys, kain na tayo guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.